Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to add a payment method on Ecwid.com. So if you have an account, log in, but if you don't, you have to sign up. I'm going to sign up for this tutorial, so let's go to temp email. But if you have your real email, just plug that in, but for the tutorial I'm going to use a temporary email. So I'm going to copy this really quick once it comes up. I click copy and then I go get started for free, and then I put my name in, and then you put the email in, and then you put a password in and click next, set up your store. Okay, now you just go next, and then you just go next and just put something in here. Do what you're going to do, whatever you're actually doing with this e-commerce site. You just put what you need to put in and just do anything here and just go next. And now we're going to do it for free for the time being. But if you're in here and you've done the free version and you want to add a payment method, now this is what you do. You go down to payment here, and now there's a few different options to do this. You can do it by cash, you can add new payment methods to Stripe, so you can connect enable. So this will take you to this page here, and all you got to do is connect your Stripe. So if you don't have a Stripe account, this is how you make one. You go down to stripe.com, and this will take you here, and then you go sign in and you click on sign up here. So that's how you make a Stripe account if you want to do that. Or you can connect Afterpay. If you have Afterpay, it's pretty much a site where you can do installation payments for your customers, so they can pay weekly, monthly. They have to decide that. So let's go see Afterpay. So you would want to make a business one. So yeah, for retailers. So this is what Afterpay is. It is a payment system where they can pretty much lay by. So if you want to use this for your website, you can click sign up and create an account, and then once you go back to here, you put your merchant ID and your secret key, and then you enable that one. So that is for Afterpay. And Square, let's see Square. So you connect and enable for this one. So what is Square? This is another great platform where you can accept payments. So if you have an account, you sign in or sign up, and this is what it will take you if you want to sign up. So you just put your email in, confirm your email, create your password, and so on. So that one is that. And what else do we have here? We have the appearance option. So enable this payment method at checkout, credit card or debit card. So this is what comes up. Payment instructions for customers. So set payment instructions. So this is a great way to help them, so that if they're new to a website or like they're new to paying online, you could just give them a clear instructions on how to use something. So it's like Stripe, or how to plug your credit card in, stuff like that. And what else? Payment method fee. We got to add payment method fee. This is an additional per order charge that can be used to cover your expenses for using this payment processor. If a customer chooses this payment method at checkout, the fee is added to the order as a set amount or as a percentage of the order total. Keep your fees low to prevent cart abandonment. So that is a great way to get a few extra dollars, but yeah, you just want to make sure you don't ruin your percentage. And what else do we have here? We have payment method availability based on shipping choice. So this is a great way to do this. Limit availability by shipping method, and you select methods. And yeah, that is pretty much the payment details on Ecwid. So if you enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe. Peace.